G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 13, 2024. This is the Bitcoin analysis. We're also covering BTC, BITA, MARA and RIOT, RIOT. The overall trend is bullish, but just watch for bearish divergence on a couple of the charts. So firstly, looking at Bitcoin, we've got the weekly, daily and hourly for those new to the channel. We look at the ADX 25, and it's the bullish trend at the moment. The CCI 400 also bullish. And we've got a CCI 150 which give us any potential divergence, and at the moment no divergence to look out for. Currently on the weekly, although we did have a couple of bearish divergence back here historically, and you can see both times that little one there fell off, and then the second one also fell off quite substantially. They're not always substantial, sometimes just small retraces. On the daily, you can see a bullish momentum. On the CCI 400, you can see the CCI itself is broken up through the moving average. That's giving us a bullish momentum as well. And on the CCI divergence indicator 150, that's also currently still a bearish divergence. And as long as that CCI remains lower than that high there, that happened to be a double top there, but as long as that remains below that high, we're going to keep this bearish divergence in play. You can see that it's also currently broken up through that 48,190 resistance, and there's no sign yet of a reversal or another resistance. And as soon as that happens, I'll let you know. On the hourly chart, likewise bullish on the ADX. The CCI 150, the CCI 400, sorry, is broken down below its moving average, so that's still bearish. A couple of mixed signals there, but on the CCI 150, we've still got a pretty strong bearish divergence versus the same period on the price chart making new highs. Next we'll look at ProShares Ultra Short Bitcoin. That's BITI, bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. Again, you can see there was a bullish divergence and it broke up, it just hit our target, and our target is always the 23 to 38% level. You can see that it just punctured that 23% before retracing back down to the downside. So that's completed, although just notice the CCI is still trending up and still higher than its entry point, so we may see a further bounce there possibly, but again, we don't trade these, we just look at these divergences primarily ways to get out of, in this case, a short position, and get out of that whenever you see a bullish divergence, and likewise when you see a bearish divergence, getting out of any long positions. On the 1 hour chart, you've got a bearish momentum on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and you can see the CCI 150 is still trending in line with the price. We did have a bullish divergence back here, bounced, went through our target area, went as high as a 61%, hit that resistance, and it bounced back down and broke through this current support area. Now, just in terms of this, I'm going to move that support down to there, and I'll just go back to the Bitcoin price. I should have moved that down as well. These are actually, I'm going to move that up, that resistance up. So these are actually doing quite nicely. Next we've got Marathon Digital, MARA. Before I cover the weekly and daily, let's move that up there as well. That's also a new resistance formed up there. We've got a bullish momentum on the weekly ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and you can see the CCI 150 is trending in line with the price, so there's no divergence on that one. Bullish on the ADX on the daily, bullish on the CCI 400 on the daily as well, and again that's also moving in line with the price. On the hourly chart, bullish on the ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and that's also moving in line with the price. So that's still in play. On the right blockchain, RIOT, bullish on the ADX on the weekly. The 150 CCI is also moving in line with the price. ADX 25 is bullish on the daily, and it's just broken up through the moving average on the CCI 400, and the CCI 150 is moving in line with the price as well. And that resistance on the hourly also goes up to that new point there, so that's potentially a reversal. And bullish on the ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and the CCI 150 is moving in line with the price. No major sign of a reversal yet in terms of the CCI divergence. There was a little bullish divergence back here. It's a bit hard to see that one. Versus the price, it bounced up, hit our target area before bouncing down and making new trends. So we go back to the Bitcoin price. In terms of trading idea, I'm going to use the daily chart for now. Again, we only take predominantly long trades. So if we put in a zero lag buy opportunity, you can see there that's a zero. That trend line is a zero lag period 20 indicator, and here it shows whenever the close breaks above the moving average at the zero lag, you buy, and you close it when it closes below. So they're just a little couple of small. They might have made a couple of losses if you use stop losses, or you can average down. There's another buy there, and you closed out with that candle there, buy, and so on. So we've currently got a new buy opportunity that's making new advances, and it's continuing to the upside. So that's just a trading idea to consider if you want to look at one option. Some economic outlook for you. Rising interest rates are a consideration, with increased interest rates by central banks globally could dampen investor appetite for riskier assets like Bitcoin. There's regulatory uncertainty. Ongoing discussions and potential regulations surrounding cryptocurrency markets create some uncertainty for investors. Clearer regulations could bring more stability and attract new investors. Institutional adoption, continued involvement of large institutions could provide long-term support for Bitcoin's price. And crypto market volatility, broader cryptocurrency market fluctuations can impact Bitcoin's price due to its interconnectedness. So again, just be mindful of the shares we looked at, or the ETFs we looked at today. We've got a bullish trend overall, although it's hit that resistance to be aware of, and that's also giving us a couple of bearish divergence to be aware of. So just be careful about continuing long positions until we break that resistance area. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.